Hello, my name is Joe, and I'm going to talk here about some important things people can do if they live in the United States on building credit. And I can tell you that I have excellent over 800 credit score, and so do some of my friends because they followed my example. And number one thing I will talk about here for building credit is how a person can use a credit building loan. You see, when I started caring about credit and doing something to actually build a higher credit score, which has benefited me in life in really big ways, what one can do is walk into a bank or credit union, and I'll tell you later why credit union is preferred. And you walk in with at least $1,000, maybe a couple thousand, and you tell them you want to do a credit building loan. And what they will do is give you a loan using that money as collateral. So it'll be in the account, in a separate account, as collateral. And then the loan they give you as a check or cash that you can get right away. So you walk in with, say, $1,000, and you walk out with $1,000. And you also have a loan where you owe $1,000 and have a collateral account that has $1,000. Now, I'll tell you some of the details about this. When you go to a credit union, they offer the best rate for doing this. I went into a bank, one of the biggest banks in America that happens to begin with the letter W. And a banker took me into the office and explained to me what they offer for credit building loans. And what they actually offer is a loan where they will only loan you 90% of what's in the collateral. And at the time, this is a few years ago, charge 18% interest, and the money is locked in the collateral account until the entire loan is paid off. Now, for credit unions, you have to check, but most credit unions, here's how they do it. You put the money up as collateral. It could be $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000, whatever. And what they do is they put that money into a collateral account, and then they loan you the money. So now you owe $1,000. You have $1,000 that you borrowed, and as you make payments, with most credit unions, the first payment you make lowers the collateral requirement. And so the collateral account has money available that can even be used to make the payment next time with just a tiny little bit of money added to it. So I have done this for other people to help them where they put the money in. And so by doing this, 6 months before I did this, I asked a credit union if they could pre-approve me for a car loan. And they flat out turned me down. Nope, couldn't do it. Okay, 6 months later, after doing 3 collateral loans at 3 different credit unions, my credit score was vastly improved. It went up hundreds of points into the 730 to 740 range. And then the same credit union who turned me down for a pre-approval for a car loan then gave me pre-approval for a car loan. And then they ended up giving me 100% financing, even covered the sales tax and registration, and the interest rate was about 4%. Okay. And then later, just a couple years later, I was able to pay that off, and that greatly improved my credit. And then I was able to buy a house because of the greatly improved credit. I will put more, keep watching each day. I'll put more information about this. And it's all about building credit, which is not necessarily credit repair, but if a person has derogatories on their credit, their score still goes up with this method, and it helps more to have at least 3 loans on credit as opposed to just 1. And it helps to have different types of loans, such as collateral account, credit cards, personal loan. And credit goes way up because of having multiple different types of loans and multiple different accounts in each one. They like to see 3. So I had 3, and I helped my wife, who was new in the country. I helped her with this, and within 4 months, her credit was greatly improved also. So have a great day. See you more. See me again tomorrow. Bye.